If the water stopped running tonight, most families would not face their biggest challenge because of food shortages. The real problem would begin when toilets could no longer flush, hands could not be washed, medications could not be mixed properly, and sanitation inside the home started to deteriorate. Within just a few days, an ordinary house could quickly become an unhealthy environment. Many people assume they are prepared because they have a few cases of bottled water stored away. However, true preparedness involves much more than simply having water. It also requires the tools that help you store it safely, use it efficiently, and protect your family from contamination and illness. One of the most underestimated emergency supplies is the heavy-duty trash bag. At first glance, it appears to be nothing more than a simple household item. In reality, it becomes a highly versatile survival tool during a water outage. When toilets stop functioning, these bags can line an emergency toilet system. They can also contain household waste, reduce odors, and help prevent contamination from spreading throughout the home. Heavy-duty trash bags serve additional purposes as well. They can protect clothing, blankets, backpacks, and electronics from rain or moisture. They can be used to wrap important documents, create a temporary ground cover for sleeping areas, or even collect rainwater in certain emergency situations. Choosing the right type of bag matters. Standard kitchen trash bags are often too thin and can tear easily when exposed to wet or heavy waste. Contractor-grade bags made from thicker polyethylene materials provide significantly greater durability and resistance to leaks. Though inexpensive, these bags can remain useful for many years when stored properly away from sunlight and excessive heat. Another essential item for water emergencies is oral rehydration salt packets, commonly known as electrolyte packets. When dehydration occurs, the body loses much more than water. It also loses vital minerals such as sodium and potassium, along with glucose, all of which play important roles in keeping the body functioning correctly. This becomes especially dangerous during periods of vomiting, diarrhea, heat exhaustion, or prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Older adults and young children are particularly vulnerable because dehydration can develop rapidly before obvious symptoms appear. Many people believe drinking large amounts of plain water is always enough. In severe cases of dehydration, however, water alone may not restore the proper balance of fluids and minerals. Oral rehydration solutions are specifically designed to help the body absorb fluids more effectively and recover more quickly. These packets are inexpensive, compact, and easy to store. When used according to package directions, they provide a balanced combination of electrolytes that can make a significant difference during emergencies. Unlike sports drinks, which are designed primarily for athletic performance, oral rehydration salts are formulated specifically to address dehydration caused by illness or extreme conditions. The third critical item is a reliable food-grade water storage container. During the final hours before a water outage, clean water may still be available. The question is whether you have a safe place to store it. Many people mistakenly use old milk jugs, soda bottles, or containers that previously held chemicals. Even when these containers appear clean, residues can remain inside and compromise the safety of stored water. Food-grade, BPA-free containers are specifically designed for long-term water storage without affecting taste or quality. Proper water storage also helps with organization. Separate containers can be designated for drinking, cooking, and hygiene purposes. This simple system reduces contamination risks and makes rationing easier during an emergency. A family that stores water safely before the supply is interrupted gains a major advantage. Often, preparedness is not determined by how much water is available, but by how effectively it can be stored and protected when it is still accessible. After several days without running water, maintaining cleanliness becomes one of the greatest challenges facing any household. Invisible bacteria and contaminants can spread easily through routine activities, making proper hygiene essential. Disposable nitrile gloves become an important protective barrier during these situations. Tasks such as handling garbage, cleaning sanitation equipment, caring for elderly family members, or managing waste can expose individuals to harmful bacteria. Without protection, contaminated hands can quickly transfer germs to food, water containers, and frequently touched surfaces. Nitrile gloves offer several advantages over latex gloves. They are more durable, more resistant to punctures, and do not contain natural rubber proteins that may trigger allergic reactions. Powder-free versions further reduce skin irritation during repeated use. Proper glove use is equally important. Gloves should never be washed and reused after handling waste or contaminated materials. Once their protective function has been compromised, they can spread contamination rather than prevent it. Stored correctly, a box of nitrile gloves can remain usable for years and provide valuable protection throughout multiple emergencies. Another item that often becomes essential is a portable butane stove or camping stove. Having water available does not necessarily mean it can be used effectively. In many situations, water must be boiled for cooking, preparing medications, or improving sanitation. When electrical power is unavailable, a portable stove provides the ability to prepare hot meals, boil water, heat soups, make tea or coffee, and maintain a sense of normalcy during stressful conditions. For older adults especially, familiar comforts such as warm food and hot drinks can significantly improve morale. Owning the stove alone is not enough. Adequate fuel storage is equally important. Many people purchase a stove but keep only a minimal fuel supply, rendering the equipment useless during prolonged emergencies. Several fuel canisters should be stored to support multiple days of cooking and water boiling needs. Safety remains critical. Portable stoves should only be operated in well-ventilated outdoor areas to avoid dangerous carbon monoxide buildup. Properly maintained stoves and fuel supplies can remain reliable for many years. A functioning emergency toilet system is another necessity when water service is interrupted. Few household problems become as unpleasant as a non-functioning toilet. As days pass, odors increase and sanitation conditions worsen rapidly. Fortunately, creating an emergency toilet system does not require expensive equipment. A simple setup can include a 5-gallon bucket, heavy-duty liner bags, an attachable toilet seat, odor control materials such as pine pellets or sawdust, and disposable gloves. This arrangement provides a practical and sanitary solution when normal plumbing is unavailable. The absorbent material helps control moisture and odors, while liner bags allow waste to be removed and stored safely until proper disposal becomes possible. Keeping all components stored together inside the bucket ensures the system can be deployed immediately when needed. During emergencies, convenience and organization often determine how effectively a family can respond. The ability to maintain sanitation during a water outage protects not only comfort but also health. In many cases, preventing illness becomes just as important as securing food and water. Even when water sources appear clean, they may contain harmful microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Streams, rainwater collection containers, storage tanks, and roadside water sources may all harbor bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants. Emergency water purification tablets provide an important layer of protection when clean drinking water is uncertain. Most tablets use iodine or chlorine dioxide to destroy harmful microorganisms. While they do not replace a complete filtration system, they offer a practical solution when electricity, fuel, or advanced purification equipment is unavailable. Using these tablets correctly is essential. The recommended treatment time must be followed exactly, regardless of how clear the water appears. Clear water does not automatically mean safe water. If water is especially cloudy, filtering it through a clean cloth before treatment can improve effectiveness. Compact and lightweight, purification tablets are easy to store in emergency kits, backpacks, or medicine cabinets. Their small size makes them particularly valuable during evacuations when carrying large quantities of water is impossible. Personal cleanliness becomes increasingly important during extended outages as well. Unscented wet wipes help maintain hygiene when showers and running water are unavailable. They assist with hand cleaning, personal care, elderly assistance, and odor control while reducing bacterial buildup on the skin. Unscented, alcohol-free wipes designed for sensitive skin are often the best choice. Fragrances and alcohol can cause irritation, especially for older adults whose skin may already be vulnerable. Proper use involves using separate wipes for different areas of the body and disposing of them immediately after use. Another highly effective preparedness item is a bathtub water storage bag. During an emergency warning, many people fill their bathtubs directly with water. However, bathtubs often contain residues and contaminants from daily use. Bathtub storage bags create a sealed, food-grade barrier that protects stored water from contamination while reducing evaporation. These bags can typically hold nearly 100 gallons of water, providing a significant reserve for drinking, cooking, and sanitation needs. The key is acting early. These systems are most effective when filled before water pressure begins dropping. Waiting too long can mean missing the opportunity entirely. Finally, unscented household bleach remains one of the most valuable emergency sanitation supplies available. When properly selected and used, it can help disinfect surfaces, sanitize equipment, and assist with water treatment according to established safety guidelines. Only regular unscented bleach containing the appropriate concentration of sodium hypochlorite should be considered for emergency use. Products containing fragrances, additives, or splash-reducing formulas are not suitable for water disinfection purposes. Proper dosage is critical. More bleach does not provide better protection and can create health hazards of its own. Following recommended guidelines ensures effectiveness while maintaining safety. Together, these often overlooked supplies form a comprehensive defense against one of the most challenging household emergencies, the loss of running water. While none of them may seem remarkable during normal times, their true value becomes clear the moment the faucet stops working and every drop of clean water suddenly matters.